Today we are visiting the largest plant nursery in Coimbatore. Before coming here, we also visited yards and gardens. They have a huge variety of indoor plants, but not a lot of outdoor plants. We also visited a Rifa nursery garden. They have a lot collection of plants, but they don't have the varieties of plants. What I mean by that is in Balaji Rose Nursery, they have a huge varieties of plants. They have about 10 varieties of roses. They have about 30 varieties of herbal plants. The herbal plants here is probably the biggest herbal plants we have ever seen in Coimbatore. They have a huge collection. So if you need a herbal plant or medicinal plant, this has got to be the place to you have to look for. They have a huge collections of flowering plants as well. There were a lot of honeybees here. And if you need some plants which are hanging, they have about 32 varieties of hanging plants. The sheer varieties of plants they have really impresses me. They have about 15 varieties of mango, which includes Miyazaki mango, the costliest mango. These are the monstras. They have a lot of indoor plants as well, and they are relatively cheap. The medicinal plants cost starts from 50. The aglonomas starts from 250. 250 seems a little high. In yards and garden, we bought a red emerald plant for 400, and we bought the same plant here for 200. So you can see the difference in pricing because of the sheer number of plants they have. This is like a D-mart for plants. Really, these are calathea, philodendron, phenopsis. These are cadmium bulbs. These are ground orchids. The sheer number of plants they have is the point, really. They have macadamia nuts. They have rudraja. The rudraja plant, it's beads used in meditation. They have a huge variety of banana plants as well. It's like 13 varieties of banana. They have macadamia nuts. They have dragon fruit plants. They have a huge variety of lemons. We couldn't tape all this because other people were shopping in those sections. But the plants they have is really pretty. So if you need to buy indoor or outdoor plants or both, in my case, this has got to be the spot. Anyways, that's my review. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Happy planting. Ciao.